part 2. So this is the everything is made by in Turkey. I think it's Chinese, but doesn't matter. So the oglet is like 3. This one is 2.0. This one is 1. Maybe better like this, 0.40. And this one is 0. I don't think it's very different. For me they all look the same, so it's not big a different. They all look the same. I think they can do same job. So this is knife. I think this is like, it's very hard to. It's like this one. K1 is like maybe 20 degrees or 10 or something. It's very, very sharp. And this one, K2. This one is a little bit, but still is like maybe 25 degrees. Now we have the square one. It's like this. So there's 3 of them. This is the fat one. The fat one is 1.5. This is the 42. And this one is 0.1. This is the square one. So all 3 of them. Yes. This one is 0.6, 0.5. It's 0.6. So you get 3 of this square one, the fat one, middle one 1.6, and this one is like 0.5, 0.6. I usually need 0.8, so where is mine? I don't know where it's mine. So now you get the round one. So this is like round. Okay. So you get 4 of them. And it goes like 50, 51, 52 and 53. Okay. This one is 1 millimeter. 52 is 0.87. This one is 0.5. 0.5. And this one is 0.4. So I don't know about these numbers, but usually you should write how much millimeter they are wide. So now you know everything you get inside. So this is what you get for $250 or euro, I don't know.